Hello everyone and welcome back to another math video. Today we're going to be looking at how do you write an equation in slope-intercept form when given a graph. So like this problem you see up on the screen, they give you the graph, how do you write an equation from it? Today we're going to be looking at how to do this using rise over run. There's another way to do this with the slope formula, so if you're interested in learning that way, I will link that in the description below. Before attempting this lesson, you should already be familiar with slope-intercept form, with rise over run, with graphing. If you want refreshers on any of these, I will link them in the description below. So here's our problem. And we have 3 steps. Step 1 is to identify the y-intercept. Hopefully remember that's where the line hits the y-axis. So that's right at 6. So remember b is the letter we use. b equals 6. All right, step 1 is done. Step 2, calculate the slope. And remember we're going to do this with rise over run. So we need to pick 2 points. Remember, it needs to be right where the orange and the grid hits exactly, so something like this. And now we count our boxes. So remember, we're doing rise over run. So I'm going to go start from here, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. So we did a 2 rise, also known as up, and 3 to the right. Okay, also known as the run. And both of these were positive, right? We went positive and we went positive. Again, we've talked about this before, so I'm going to go pretty quickly. So we should get a slope of 2/3. That's our m. Step 2 is done. Step 3, substitute in. So now we do y equals 2/3 x plus 6. And here is our equation for the line. All right, here's our cool clock for today, which means that it's time for you to practice what you just learned. Go ahead and pause the video and try these 2 problems on your own. And when you're ready, you can unpause the video and we'll check your answers. Okay, now that you've had time to work these problems, let's check your solutions. For the first problem, you should have gotten y equals x minus 6 or 1x minus 6. And for the second problem, you should have gotten y equals negative 5/7x plus 24. You had to reduce the fraction, and remember this is a scaled graph, so every box is worth 4. All right, that is it for today. I hope you all have a good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and good night.